guys, today we're going to do a box opening on a Dewalt miter saw stand. The model number is DWX723. We're going to go ahead and show you guys how to what comes in the box and how to put it together. This is our box for our stand. It is a large box. It's a little bit over 6 feet in length, so just keep that in mind when you're purchasing. So we're gonna go ahead and get started by opening this up. As far as what is in the actual box, here's your main portion of your stand, and then it does come with this box over here, and I believe these are the mounting brackets. Alright, so as far as it seems, what it comes completely in the box, you have your actual stand, which is folded up and everything, and then you have, it comes with 2 mounting brackets that you'll clip on. These will be mounted to your actual saw, and then it helps with easy removal when you're taking this on and off. And these will be pretty much your board supports. These will help hold up any boards you're working with. You have your bag of mounting screws. It's pretty much straightforward and pretty easy to take apart and put together. So go ahead and pull up the legs. Like I said before, this thing is pretty long on its own, so be mindful of that when you are purchasing. We got this at Lowe's for, price tag was $199 to $200 for it. It's pretty much already ready to go. We just have to attach the whole thing. So what you just need to do is you actually just, there's a little lever right here on the end. I don't know if you guys can see that. You just turn it and it'll loosen up so you can slide these out. So you can see there's a little notch here in the end. What you're gonna do is you're actually going to take your support bracket, and there is a screw right in here. And you're just kind of loosen it up. Get my hand in there. So you're just going to loosen it up, and what it does is it loosens this piece up for you to be able to slide it into this bracket. And once it's in place, you just go ahead and you tighten it back up. And then these are adjustable as well. You can, depending on where you want it, just put it in the middle for now. Let's see. So I'm just going to show you guys over here on the end exactly how this works. As you can see, there is a little lever right here. If you tighten it up one way, it holds in place. And if you loosen it the other way, it allows you to slide to adjust the length of your support, and then you just lock it in place again. What I was tightening up is these bolts right here. These bolts, if you loosen them up, it allows your bracket to adjust either way. I have it dead center right now. I used a number 10 wrench, and it fit on there perfectly. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to do the brackets. Now this kit does come with 2 mounting brackets. These are actually what you're going to mount your miter saw onto. It does come with bolts and stuff to mount these on there. What happens is that once these are on there, these actually clip into place, and as you can see, you just to give you guys a close-up on how these work. As you can see, there is a handle and a clip here. What you do is that what you're going to do is you're going to squeeze this closed, and there is a second little trigger here, so you can squeeze them both down, and you hook it and you put it in place. If you want to adjust it, you just squeeze the one trigger and it'll slide as you need it. If you need to completely remove it, you squeeze both and it'll completely lift off. And here we are, we got our saw on here. And then if you, like I said, if you want to change the lengths, these do go out pretty far ways.